Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Microsoft Teams mobile app, designed to help teams communicate and collaborate efficiently from anywhere. The app offers features such as real-time chat, video and audio calls, meeting scheduling, and file sharing, all optimized for mobile devices. Users can join meetings on the go, access files stored in Microsoft 365, and receive instant notifications to stay connected with their team. Pros include a user-friendly interface tailored for mobile use, seamless integration with other Microsoft 365 apps, and the ability to collaborate anytime, anywhere. The app supports background blur during video calls and offline access to recent files, which improves usability in various situations. Cons include occasional performance issues such as lags or glitches depending on the device and network connection. New users might find some features complex due to the app's wide range of functionalities. Additionally, some advanced features require a Microsoft 365 subscription. Overall, Microsoft Teams mobile app is a powerful tool for remote and on-the-go teamwork, providing essential communication and collaboration features in a compact, accessible format. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you don't understand something or have questions, please refer to the email address stated in the description.